the science experiment. Let's start the science experiment.
We'll cross this river, and with this, our today's festivity, today's exhibition will start. Give a round of applause and be ready.
Scratch like this screw. We have made an electromagnet by wrapping this wire on a soft iron rod with a flat magnetic surface. All parts of the crane moving with the air pressure principle which is connected So I will show. So when we on the stick, the magnetic field is created and we attract the screws. When I off the switch, this rod is magnetic property.
Good afternoon. We are here to explain you about this drone, which is made up of fan and motors attached to it. The fan moves the air downward, and due to this force, we can see the motion in the drone.
A full-fledged drone can be fly and used in many purposes. Therefore, we are just demonstrating the principle behind this drone. I have made this of electrical lift. It is used in our daily life. It is a simple device which we use. We have connected a motor to make it move. It is made by ISRO.
What is this?
Chandrayaan 3.
Okay.
It was made by ISRO it was made by ISRO. It was landed it was launched on 14th July 2023 and landed on 23rd August 2023. Its chairman is Somnath, and it resulted and landed on moon in a very soft manner. I have used pressure to make it move upward.
Nice.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sai Dakhtar from class 7.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Rasul Ansari from class 7. We are representing about water distillation process.
Distillation is a process that uses on evaporation to purify water. Water is heat from steam.
Distillation effectively removes the inorganic compounds such as metals, nitrates, and other impurities.
So will it be safe for drinking?
Yes.
Uses of distillation, purification of water, purification of
पहले थोड़ी देर में
sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide.
From class 9, yes, my partner is science project today that is the 3D model of bacterial phase.
Virus that are infect and
This part is called head and it contains DNA, proteins and other things.
this is called make separate with acid and name. This is called sugar. It contains DNA. Sugar. This is a basic and stem fiber. Attack in bacteria and bacteria are body.
It can be found in ingredients, soil, and
Pacific from class 9. Today we are demonstrating the working model of circulatory system. And in addition, we will explain how the blood is circulated in our body and the name of the chamber and blood vessels.
the human circulatory system is mainly composed of blood, heart and blood vessels that are arteries, veins and capillaries. And the name of the chambers: left auricles, left ventricles, right auricles, right ventricles.
During
During
diastole,
contraction of heart muscle, when a heart is contracted, is called systole, and when a heart does relaxation, is called diastole. How many oxygen?
during diastole of left and right atrium, the deoxygenated blood from the inferior and superior vena cava enter the right atrium and the oxygenated blood from lungs enter the left atrium through the pulmonary vein.
And before that, you get blood pressure is increased and blood entered to the left. Blood into the left and right ventricles, and the bicuspid and tricuspid. And the left and right ventricles have blood enter into the
Good afternoon, sir. I'm class 9. Today I am excited to demonstrate the project of hemodialysis. Today I am excited to demonstrate the hemodialysis project. This project helps to when a person have a kidney failure, then the blood, purify the blood, and in a month we have to do it 7 times in a month. When a blood comes from here, the blood goes to the dialyzer. Dialyzer filters the blood in fresh blood, then used blood, then this blood is controlled in our body.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Alishma Anam. I am from class 7.
My name is Savita Jha. I am also from class 7.
Today we have made a 3D model of plant cell.
And now we are representing it.
A cell is a structural and functional unit of life. Some organisms are multicellular and some are unicellular. Plants are unicellular organisms. And in a plant cell, there are different types of components. So the first component is the cell wall. This is the outer non-living structure of the plant cell. It is rigid and gives protection to the plant cell and it is unique to plant cells. And the next part is a plasma membrane, which is also known as cell membrane. It protects the cell from having different solutes and ions. And the next part is nucleus, the largest cell organelle. It contains chromosomes or DNA, and inside the nucleus there is a nucleolus which protect the nucleus. And the next part is vacuole.
Vacuole is the vacuole contains water and other substances like food, vegetables, etc.
What's that?
It is this vacuole.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Abhi Kumar. I am class form 7. Sir, we are represented a 3D model of animal cell. This is known as cytoplasm. So, this is known as the outermost layer part of animal cell. It contains the proteins and vitamins from the outside of the animal cell.
separate the outside environment from the cell and it helps in the entry of different substances in the cell.
Sir. Very well.
Evaporation.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Tarapit from class 6. Today we are presenting about water cycle. What is water cycle? The water cycle is the composition of water within the earth and ultimately the complex system that contains processes liquid water evaporates into water vapor condition.
Okay. So, can you explain what it is?
Here I am stating the theory of physics which is in my syllabus. This is parallel and series combination of the bulb. And in parallel combination, the equivalent resistance is decreased. Therefore, the current is increases. But in series combination, the equivalent resistance is more compared than parallel combination. Therefore, the current is decreases. As a result, the bulb in parallel combination and is glow brightly compared to the series combination.
Very good. Thank you.
We are representing the 3D chef in maths. This is Q-board. ज़्यादा क्यूब कंटेंट
Carbon dioxide does not promote combustion. At first we pour the water into the glass. Then we light the candle. And inoculate the glass. Good afternoon, my dear respective sir. We are going to do the science experiment. Let's start the science experiment. First, we have taken a plate and then pour some water and stick the candle. After that, we add some color as example, and then we mix the color. After that, we light the candle. After that, we take out. After that, we will take a bottle and put it on the candle.
Fast. Computer.
Ma'am, I am Anna from class 3. And I am Priyanshi Das from class 3. Today we are representing you the components of computer. Computer is an electronic machine that runs on electricity to make our work easy and save our time. Set of instructions that given to the computer to do a particular work is called hardware and software. Hardware, a piece of computer which we can see and touch, is called hardware part of computer. Example, keyboard, mouse and CPU. The components of computer are hardware and software. A computer runs on simple principle, that is IPO cycle, means input, processing, output. The computer receives data as input, processing, storing and then produce output the result. A piece of computer which we can enter into the computer is called input device. Example, keyboard and mouse. Output device, a piece of hardware which gives us result, is called output device. Example, monitor, speaker.
Hello.
Good morning everyone. I am Aditya Prasad. I read in class 1. My name is Shara. I am standard 2. We represent part of computer. Computer is an electronic device that runs on electricity to make our work easy and save our time. Computer runs on simple principle that IPO cycle output. The main parts of computer are monitor, keyboard, output device. Monitor like a
अच्छा, monitor is the output device or input device?
Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. I am Anita sir.
And I am Kainat Patni.
From class 6.
We are representing the type of computer. The earliest version of computer were very large machines that took a lot of space, consumed huge amount of electricity and had limited capabilities.
It is amazing to see a journey of computer that can fit into a palm of our hand, that can fit into that anywhere in the world.
The evolution of computer can be traced through microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer, game console, mobile and embedded computer.
Mini computer, very small computer designed as personal computer, since 1918 become more powerful, all in size, low cost. Example, IBM.
Mini computer is also known as mid-range server, more powerful than microcomputer. Example, VAX.
Mainframe computer, they were built to use volume of data and information capacity and supported more than one processor.
Indian economy consists of three major categories. First is the primary sector, second is the secondary sector and third is the tertiary sector. Let's talk about the primary sector. The primary sector includes all activities which is related to the nature and raw materials which we get from nature, including like example agriculture, mining, etc. Moving to the secondary sector. The secondary sector all about the manufacturing and for industry.
Types of
account. There are 4 types of account. Saving account, fixed deposit account, recurring account and current account.
current account is for whom?
For businessmen. Thank you, sir.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है सुप्रिया अफरीन, कक्षा 6 की छात्रा हूँ। मेरा जो विषय है वो है कारक किसे कहते हैं।
अच्छा, विभक्ति चिन्ह किसे कहते हैं? कारक में विभक्ति चिन्ह क्यों आता है?
कारक को समझने के लिए।
आपने कारक
बहुत से ऐसे लोग को कारक बहुत कठिन लगते हैं, लेकिन मैंने इसे बहुत समझा, पढ़ा।
अच्छा, करण और अपादान दोनों में तो शेष है, कैसे समझेंगे कि करण कारक और अपादान में अलग कैसे समझेंगे?
करण एक साधन है,
कैसे समझाइए? करण को कैसे समझेंगे?
मेरे कारक पेड़ से
तो इसमें साधन क्या है? अपादान में
पेड़ से
इसमें क्या पता चलता है?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Here, वाक्य है और
ये वाक्य तो मैंने सुना है, वाक्य रचना के आधार पर भी होता है, अर्थ के आधार पर भी होता है। तो आपने ये कौन सा चुना है?
मैंने अर्थ के आधार पर वाक्य के भेद चुने हैं, क्योंकि अधिकतर लोग जानते हैं कि वाक्य के 3 प्रकार होते हैं और अर्थ के आधार पर वाक्य के 8 भेद होते हैं।
तो आप थोड़ा आज्ञावाचक का थोड़ा उदाहरण दे सकते हैं?
आज्ञावाचक जिसमें आज्ञा, जिस वाक्य में आज्ञा, आदेश, अनुमति, अनुरोध,
एक एग्जाम्पल उदाहरण दीजिए।
आदि एक वाक्य प्लस वाक्य।
Good afternoon, sir. I am Akhil from May I am going to explain tense. Let's start. We can divide tense into 1 part. Simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, perfect continuous tense.
Please explain simple tense.
Simple tense, which happens regularly.
Simple present tense.
Present tense, which happens regularly.
Continuous tense.
Which is happening now.
Please be louder.
Which is happening now. Longer period.
Thank you.
Of class 6, I am demonstrating the project of history on the Stone Age. The Stone Age is followed by Iron and Bronze Ages. The Stone Age is classified into 3 big flaming, Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, and Neolithic period. During this Stone Age, people lived in caves and with human hands. They also created shelter from bones and animal skin. They eat food habit of this stage. They eat hunting animals and fishes and fruits. Thank you, sir.
What do you mean by Simon Commission? Raj Gandhi ji against or favor for it?
My name is Nehala Taran from class 7. This is my history project. It's about Brahmins. The Brahmins are ages considered diverse and from time and sources of water. We can see ample sources of water around us such as sea, lake, pond, well, rain. Water is a basic essential of human of living things. What are the freshwater sources of water? Freshwater sources, sea, lake, pond. Sea is a freshwater source. Sorry. Rain. And salt water? Salt is sea and ocean. Okay. Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Emily. I am from a standard school. Today I am representing the crops of India. Before that, we know which crop grown in which region of India and very soil. Why the soil is so fertile? Mostly the crops which are grown in India are grown in alluvial soil. And the alluvial soil is extremely fertile because its sediments are transported by the river and it is a mixture of sand, clay and silt. Second point is why the various type of crops grown here. Various type of the reason behind the growing of various type of crops in India are the different types of soil present here and the abundant rainfall. And third point is the 1 to 5th ranking of the crops grown in India. We all know that India is one of the large producer of crops grown in the world. And today we are ranking the crops grown in India from 1 to 5th. In first position, rice came, and rice is also the main crop of the whole population of the world. Second position, it is the basic crop of half of the population has jute is the capital import, sugar cane is the cash crop, and in last is tea is the valuable crop, and which crop is the major crop of Gujarat? Rice is the major crop of the Gujarat. Thank you.
Which is the major crop in Gujarat?
In Gujarat, the major crop is almond.
Good afternoon, my name is Sharik Ali and I am from class 7.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Farah Khan from class 7. This is our geography project about Indian physical features. In India, there are 6 divisions that are the northern mountains. The northern mountains are geologically young and structurally old mountains. For example, the Himadri, the Himachal, and the Shivalis. This is the northern plains. The northern plain is one of the largest plains in the world with the concentration of alluvial soil and silt that helps for agriculture.
The Great Indian Desert, it is located in Rajasthan and the northern range. It is spread over 2 lakh square kilometers and this desert region is a fairly flat and low-lying area with an extensive sandy dunes.
The Peninsular Plateau is one of such landmasses that extend over 13 lakh square kilometers. For example, the Deccan Plateau and the Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagar Plateau.
The coastal line stretches about 6,000 kilometers and the western coastal is wider and sandier than the eastern coastal plains. And India has 2 groups of islands that are Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Islands on the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Island on the Arabian Sea. The term Lakshadweep means a group of 100,000 islands. In total, there are 36 islands in which 10 are inhabited.
In India, only one volcano is present in Andaman Nicobar. The name of this volcano is Barren. We will show the experiment on it. Is it active or not? Yes.
The name of this active volcano is Barren volcano. I am putting some water on it. Now I am adding some Pino.
This side is the eastern coastal side of the southern part. This side is the eastern coastal side of southern part.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. When earthquake is come, when houses, buildings, all fall down, and in which years earthquakes are when houses destroy like this, and when high pressure earthquake is formed. Thank you.
What is it?
This is atmosphere layers. First thing I want to tell you that what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is totally black on Earth by sending out incoming ultraviolet radiation. If Earth walk and this first thing is what I want to tell you. In our atmosphere they contain 5 layers. First layer is troposphere. Troposphere is also called troposphere. And the water phenomena take place in this layer today. And in this layer present this particles water vapor. I want to tell you that ozone is very important because it absorbs the ultraviolet
Which area you are situated? And you will have on which day?
We are having Stockholm.
Quick, say it quick. In one sentence only. In one sentence only. Quick.
Vertical section from that recovery policies and the soil profiles from infinity. The soil debates on strategies, barren rock materials and including depleted or vegetable rocks and its soil profiles in the table for the soil and the types of soil alluvial soil. Then it's the next last row. Third, the parent rock. Parent rock in the earth of science is the parent rock of substance. We also call the younger rocks and it's formed.
Now tell me, what is the subsoil
Contains of minerals.
Okay, and the topsoil? No, topsoil is about humus, organic matter, erosion. And this is the upper crust of the earth.
Thank you for coming.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Priti Agarwal from class 9. I am going to demonstrate about global warming. This model is made by class 9. We have chosen this topic because global warming is the prime criterion in our generation. Let me explain how it is happening. The causes of the global warming means the reason behind the global warming due to which global warming occurs. The heat trapping, volcanic eruption, radiations and greenhouse gases are the reasons behind the global warming. And secondly, what is global warming? Global warming is the long-term effect of heating by Earth's surface absorbed since pre-industrial period between 1850 and 1900 by human activities like by burning of fossil fuels primarily, which leads to volcanic eruptions, solar radiations and greenhouse gases. Lastly, the effects of the global warming. The effects are the losses of not enough food and not the proper environment and etc.
XPW model also. What is it?
This is the sun and this is the earth which is rotating, and these are the animals which are dead because of the deforestation. Global warming. And this is the factory and this chimneys through which the smoke is coming out, and here all the cars are going on in the road and the pollutions are coming out from the engines. And there is the waterfall where many plants